equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Surface Pro 5 screen can sometimes crack or become unresponsive due to accidental drops or pressure. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further damage, affecting the device's functionality and usability. To carry out the repair, you will need a heat gun, a suction cup, a plastic opening tool, a Phillips screwdriver, and adhesive strips. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off. Use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen, making it easier to separate from the body. Once warm, place the suction cup on the screen and gently pull while inserting the plastic opening tool into the gap. Carefully work your way around the edges to detach the screen. The component that typically fails is the LCD display, which you can locate by examining the area beneath the screen. Once exposed, disconnect the cables carefully, noting their positions. Remove the screws holding the LCD in place, applying gentle force to avoid damaging surrounding components. Replace the old LCD with the new one, reconnect the cables, and ensure everything is secure. Reassemble the device by pressing the screen back into place, ensuring a snug fit. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a protective case and being mindful of where you place your device. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.